This is mama makeover surgery, and I will start with breast lift, and I will put the implants at the same time under the muscle, and then after closing the stitch lines or the breast lift, then I will do liposuction to all tummy and to the sides, and I will try to reach the back, and then I will remove the excess tissue, and I will do the tummy tuck surgery. Now I am creating this pocket under the muscle for the implant. After bleeding control, I will check the pocket with different size of temporary implants. Then we will decide the size of the permanent one, and I will use full gel implant Motiva temporary implant, and this is Motiva. The size of it is 355 cc. Now then we will decide if I will able to put the slip under the muscle easily. Then I will ask two masters to open the permanent one. Now I am doing the marking, a kind of local anesthesia through the muscle. Then after the surgery, she will have less pain. After doing breast lift with implants, I started to contact with liposuction first, and I did liposuction to all front side and then the sides, and I tried to reach to the back, and now I'm putting my markers, and this is the amount I will remove, amount of tissue I will remove, and then I will create a new belly button place, and the incision line will be 7 cm to the genital organ, and the distance between the belly button and the incision line will be 10 cm.